Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to set the recording point time interval in the Trailforks application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, as well as how to make money online. Let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. And then click on the three lines at the top of the page on the left. And then click on the settings button. And then click on the GPS settings button. And then click on the recording point time interval button. And here are the options that you can choose from. So just click on the time that you want to use, and then it is set. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Goodbye.